Space is humongous. It would take us years to reach our nearest neighbor star, even if we traveled at the fastest rate the universe permits. But what if we tell you that there is an engine that can defy the laws of physics? Excited? Then let's head to today's video and see what NASA has made for us. David Burns, a NASA engineer, has been spending his free time working on it. Without the need for propellant, he claims his engine design could hypothetically accelerate to 99% the speed of light. Under the heading Helical Engine, they uploaded the paper to the NASA Technical Report server. According to the document, it operates similarly to how mass may change at relativistic speeds, or almost at the speed of light in a vacuum is. It is clear from the paper's discussion that the early level of EM drives was explored. The engine may really break the rules of physics, according to some headlines. The idea is intriguing, but physics won't be suddenly broken by it anytime soon. An idea for a propellant-free engine that can accelerate objects to almost the speed of light is insane. Although it sounds like something from a sci-fi film, it's not. It has the potential to defy physics. The aforementioned EM drive was NASA's first attempt to really try to create an engine capable of moving faster than the speed of light. What precisely is EM drive then? EM drive is an RF resonant cavity thruster idea that was first presented by Roger Scheuer, a certified electrical engineer with 48 years of expertise in the space and defense industries. It is claimed to defy the law of conservation of momentum and other physics laws by internally reflecting microwaves to produce thrust. This device is frequently referred to as an impossible drive. The mechanism of EM drive is explained in a way that defies accepted physics. Although space quantum time vacuum energy doesn't benefit from it, it may be interacting with it. It is hard to know for sure whether a certain object is such a device because there is no official design for the device and none of the people who claim to produce it have committed to describing how it would work as a thruster or the components that make it up. One such test in 2016 showed a tiny apparent thrust according to NASA's Advanced Propulsion Physics Laboratory. Studies conducted after the observation of the push revealed that it was a measuring mistake brought on by contact with the Earth's magnetic field or heat gradient. The push was explained by an anomaly according to 3 publications released in March 2021 by researchers at the Technical University of Dresden. Even if some people are dubious about the Helical Engine, Burns thinks his idea is worthwhile. Burns illustrates a thought experiment that uses a box with a weight inside hung on a line and springs at either end to support his theory. This would cause the entire box to tremble in a vacuum, such as space, but the weight would appear to remain still, as though a GIF was stabilizing around it. The box will continue to swing generally in the same direction, but if the weight of the heavy item grows just in one direction, the push will be stronger in that direction. Burns' idea can really be implemented easily without swapping out the ring with a circular particle accelerator, where ions are swiftly accelerated to relativistic speeds in one stroke and decelerated in the other. Burns, however, believes that using particle accelerators for lateral and circular motion instead of boxes and rods would make most sense. In this instance, the accelerator must be spiral-shaped. There is, however, a unique relativistic defect. Special relativity states that when an object gets closer to the speed of light, it gains mass. Ions may flow more quickly on one end of a ring than the other if you replace the weight with ions and the box with a ring. On the other hand, Burns' drive does not contain a single closed loop. It's known as a spiral engine because it is helical, much like an elongated spring. The ions included in one cycle are propelled by the engine to mild relativistic velocities when they modify their speed to slightly alter their mass. To produce thrust, the engine then swings the ions back and forth in the direction of movement. The only moving parts in the engine are the ions that are trapped in magnetic and electric fields and moving inside the vacuum tube. We'll probably say now that your suspicions were correct, but don't be fooled by that. We shouldn't be shocked if faster-than-light engines do arise in the near future, given how quickly aeronautical technology is evolving. But once that occurs, all of our science fiction fancies will unquestionably be on the fast road to becoming a scientific reality. So, are you ready to defy physics? Tell us about your fascination with the space in the comments below. Thanks for watching.